Having trouble growing your online business because of regional laws, varying shipping costs, or handling post-launch demand? If so, then use Addify Country Restriction App for Shopify. Restrict access to products or collections by country. You can hide the price, add to cart, or the product itself. Redirect restricted users or show a customizable error message. Let's see how this app works. Click on Apps and go to the Country Restriction. Go to the Settings and enable this app first. Now go to the Rules tab and create a new rule. Add rule title here for future reference. You can include or exclude specific countries and products. We select all countries and all products for now. In Restriction Settings, you can choose the restriction type as Hide Selected Products or Hide Price and Add to Cart. You can hide price or replace price with text. Enter the text for price. Choose an action for Add to Cart button. We select Hide Add to Cart button. In Listing Page Settings, select an action for the products on listing page. We select Blur Product Block. Choose Hide Price and hide Add to Cart button. Select the start and end dates of this rule and set the rule priority. Now hit the Submit button and let's go to the front end to see how it looks. Here you can see all products are blurry and the price and Add to Cart button is hidden on the listing page. Go to the product page now. Here you can see the custom text replaced with price and Add to Cart button hidden. You can replace the Add to Cart button with a custom button to redirect restricted users. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.